Hey, Franklin Green here. Today we're going to talk about how you can realistically become a millionaire in 10 years. Yes, you heard that right. 10 years. It may sound like a lot, but with the right strategy, discipline, and smart moves, it's absolutely possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a financial tip like this. Let's get started. 1. Start with a strong financial foundation. The first step to becoming a millionaire is to establish a strong financial foundation. This means having a solid understanding of your income, expenses, and savings. Start by creating a budget and tracking where your money goes each month. Then, make sure to build an emergency fund. This fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses, giving you the peace of mind to take risks in your financial journey. 2. Increase your income streams. Relying on a single source of income is one of the most limiting things you can do if you want to become a millionaire. Start focusing on increasing your income streams. This could mean asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, or investing in high ROI opportunities. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or real estate investing, diversifying your income is key. 3. Smart investing. One of the best ways to grow your wealth over time is through smart investing. If you want to become a millionaire in 10 years, you need to start investing early. The power of compound interest can work wonders, but only if you give it time. Consider investing in stocks, index funds, or cryptocurrencies, but remember, always do your research and understand the risks involved. Make sure to invest regularly, even if it's just small amounts at first. 4. Live below your means. While increasing your income is crucial, you also need to live below your means. This might be the hardest part for many people, but it's essential if you want to build wealth over time. Cut back on unnecessary expenses, avoid debt, and focus on saving and investing the extra money you have. Be disciplined and consistent. Even small changes to your lifestyle can lead to huge gains over time. 5. Network and learn from others. Becoming a millionaire is often about who you know as much as what you know. Surround yourself with successful people who have already achieved the financial freedom you want. Networking and learning from others can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and business ventures that you might never have discovered on your own. Mentors and a strong support system are vital when it comes to building wealth. Becoming a millionaire in 10 years is absolutely possible, but it requires hard work, smart decisions, and consistency. If you're committed to following these steps, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.